What's up? Welcome back to another dropshipping e-commerce video. In this video, I am going to be talking about the ways you can make extra money from your sales. Alright, so the first way you can make extra money from your dropshipping sales is using cashback websites. These are sites that will give you a percentage back from your purchases when you go through their site. The sites that I've mainly used or have used are Top Cashback, Max Rebates, and Hoopla Dupla. What you can also do is head over to a site called Cashback Monitor. On this site, it will show you the most percentage cashback you can receive from a site. All you have to do is find the supplier that you're using to dropship, and it will pop up a list of sites you can use for receiving cashback. So let's try Walmart. So here are a list of the top sites that will have the most percentage of cashback for Walmart. So here's Hoopla Dupla, the one that I said that I've used before, and Max Rebates are the top two. There are some few bad things about cashback though. One is they aren't really forced to pay you, so if you rack up a good bit of cashback money, there's a possibility that they may not pay you. Another thing is it takes a very long time to receive that money you rack up. I'm talking like up to a year, sometimes longer. The second way you can make extra money is taking advantage of discounted gift cards. With this way, you can purchase discounted cards for less and use them on whichever sites you use to dropship and keep the difference. So let's say, for example, you need to purchase $500 worth of products to ship to customers. Most of the popular sites may have like 1% discounted cards for you to purchase. That's like $5 you can put into your pocket. It's not much, but think about when you start doing volume and you need to purchase $10,000 worth of orders. That's an extra 100 you can put into your pocket. What's also cool is you can combine cashback sites with discounted gift cards. So you can purchase cards from there, then receive a percentage back from the discounted card purchase, then collect extra money from when you use the discounted card to purchase items from your supplier site. Alright, so here's an example. I can go to Max Rebates and search up Raise. So Raise is a site that sells discounted gift cards. I can then, it will give me 2.2% cash back for whatever card I buy. So I can then go to their site. Alright, so it says right here, 2.2% cashback activated. So I just need to buy a discounted gift card. So let's say, for example, I need to buy items off of Walmart. So I would then click Walmart, buy a card from here, receive the discounted card from Walmart, which is 1.6%, 1.60% off. Purchase that here, collect the cashback reward from buying here. I can then exit out of here and then go back to Max Rebates and head over to Walmart. Oh god, that's one more kind of. All right. Oh, this. All right, so then Walmart offers a 4% cashback. So then I would shop there, buy whatever item I need, and then use the discounted gift card that I bought from Raise onto Walmart. So you're getting 2 cashbacks transactions from Max Rebate, and then you're collecting extra money from using the discounted gift card. Now, the downside to discounted gift cards is there are some websites that sell stolen gift card codes, so you have to watch out for those. The ones that I use are Raise.com and CardCash. With CardCash, if you do a lot of volume, they'll start to cancel your orders because they'll think someone has stolen your credit card or debit card to purchase gift cards. That's the downside to that site. But with Raise, I experienced that, but I was able to get my account limit raised, so I never experienced any canceled orders after purchasing high amounts of gift cards. Another thing to look out for with gift cards is some suppliers will send gift cards purchases back to shipping addresses instead of billing addresses. A supplier that does this is Lowe's. So if you purchase $8,000 worth of gift cards for Lowe's and every single order gets canceled, Lowe's will then send every single order that used a Lowe's gift card to purchase to the shipping address for whatever amount the order cost. So that means you will lose all $8,000 you used to purchase those gift cards. Trust me, I experienced this firsthand and it was not very fun. So the final way you can earn extra money from your dropshipping sales are taking advantage of credit card rewards. Many credit cards will offer 1%, 1.5%, or even 2% back in the form of rewards or cash. Some even offer air miles so you can use to pay for plane tickets to travel. I recommend doing your own research before signing up with any credit card company, but ones that I've used are Discover It Miles, Discover It Chrome, the Delta Sky Miles card, the Walmart credit card, and the Apple card. Now, the only downside to credit cards is that some cards will limit how many purchases you can make in a given day. So if you have a lot of sales that one day and they're like multiple orders, there's a possibility that your credit card will cancel the transactions and you'll have to probably use a different card or wait to fulfill those orders. And also, if you don't have enough money to pay for your credit card bill at the end of the month, you're going to be charged interest, and interest is not a good thing to be charged on a credit card. So those are the 3 ways you can make money on the back end of your Facebook dropshipping sales. You can even do it on online arbitrage or Amazon dropshipping, eBay dropshipping. But if you made it this far into this video, I appreciate you taking the time to watch till the end. Don't forget to leave a like on the video if you haven't done so yet. And if you are new here, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button down below to be up to date when I make a new video about e-commerce. It's free and it helps my channel grow, so it's a win-win for both of us. That's it for this video. Hope you received good value from this video. Peace out, and I will see you in the next one.